up you guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this cookies and cream theme box. I'm telling you guys right now that this box smells really good. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start melting our chocolate. Once your chocolate is fully melted, go ahead and add Oreo crumbs into your chocolate and mix it really well. Make sure to cover all the edges and creases, and once you're done, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, our heart is in the fridge. Let's go ahead and start working on our strawberries. And color the chocolate off camera, but I used the black candy coloring by Color Mill. There's different ways to achieve black, and I will be making a video pretty soon. Is ready for another layer. I like to focus on the edges first, and whatever chocolate I have left I add it in the middle, and then spread it all over the heart, and then once I'm done I just add it back or pop it back in the fridge for a couple minutes until the chocolate hardens. it's time to demold our heart. You want to do this process very carefully because if you break something, you have to start all over again. And added the rest of the letters off camera. Now it's time to add our little mini Oreos. This box smells so freaking good. If you guys are a cookies and cream fan, comment down below. Finally done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was very helpful. Comment down below what video should I film next. Also, I am thinking of making a Fruity Pebbles theme box, so let's see how that goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you on my next video. God bless.